that you are welcome to Atuabo Elembele Science and Math Quiz. Today marks the day that they are doing the circuit championship, and then the practicals section, which has taken place already. And then we are here with some of the students, those that are participating in the circuit championship. We would like to get closer to a few of them and then speak to them and know how the practicals went. My man, can you get closer to me? Good morning.
Wow.
How you doing? What's your name?
Justice.
Justice. You mention your full name.
Justice Edie.
Justice what?
Edie.
Edie. What school do you represent?
Atuamo Methodist Basic School.
At some Methodist Basic School.
Yeah.
That's fine. You are part of the competitors, right? You just did the practicals.
Yes.
You won in the group stages, and then you are participating in the championship. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very well. How was the previous competition that you earlier on took?
It was tough, but we managed to qualify.
Very well. And then, what is your preparation so far for this very one?
I hope we'll be the first
Yeah.
in this circuit.
You hope you're going to be the first in this very circuit. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Very well. You just did your practicals. What was your practicals? Can you tell us more about your practicals?
Demonstrate energy conversion using an electric circuit.
Demonstrate what?
An electric circuit.
Electric circuit.
Energy conversion
Energy-
using an electric circuit.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, you did an energy conversion using an electric circuit. And how did it go?
It went well.
It went very well.
Yes.
Very well. So you presume you're going to be first in it. Is that correct?
Yes.
Very well. This is what our brother just said. He is representing the Atuabo Basic School. And then they did just their practicals. And then we are getting closer to another school to know what they also just did. Can any one of you get closer to me? Can any of you get closer to me? Hello, come around, my dear. Good morning. You speak louder. What's your name?
Yidiatu Teslim,
Okay, that's very good. What school do you represent?
Sanzile Christian.
Sounds like Christian, and you are at Atuabo currently.